Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge two loan applications in Arive. This is useful, especially if you have a borrower who can't qualify on their own, so a second borrower says, hey, I'll fill out an application, and we want to combine them. So we're going to download a 3.4 XML file, make sure it's XML, not zip, from one application, and then we're going to import it to a second application, whoever said that they would be the co-borrower for. So we're going to drag and drop that downloaded 3.4 into the second application of the borrower. And then we want to make sure when we're looking at it, make sure if they're not married that we click on this Manage Borrowers button. And again, if they're not married, let's drag and drop into a separate 1003. That way they can be together on a mortgage but not necessarily married together. This will help you when you're running credit. And then we're going to save that. And to tell if they're married or not, to double check, there'll be a gap between them if they're unmarried. So that is how to combine two applications. I actually don't recommend this style. The reason why I don't recommend it is because it doesn't allow us to manipulate applications. You end up with the first application and a combined one, but you can't manipulate the second co-borrower's application. What I recommend doing is cloning both loans. It's in the same three dots on the far right menu. And then when you put them together, you're left with three applications all together. That way you can do mortgage gymnastics and kind of figure out how you can best help them. So that's how to combine two applications. And if you want more how-to videos, join my Facebook group. Thanks.